Hello Flutter developers, hope doing fine. In this video tutorial we are going to show you how to add pop-up menu items in AppBar to make it more user-friendly and according to the client requirements. So then you will be able to add desired pop-up menu items according to the requirements. Pop-up menus are a crucial part of enhancing user experience in your Flutter applications, and understanding how to implement them effectively is essential. We'll cover everything from creating the menu to handling user interactions and making your app more user-friendly. Now we first create the class of myAppName, and then we create material app in which we add scaffold. Inside the scaffold we add the AppBar useful widgets like title, icon, buttons, and useful and most commonly used pop-up menu items in the menu icon. And we will also give the functionality to these pop-up menu items, so stay tuned and watch the video till end. It will become more interesting and informative. As you are seeing, we are going to add icon buttons widgets, in which we add 3 buttons, which are search button, profile icon button, and logout icon button. Both work accordingly to the functionality which we gonna add in it. Now we are adding the pop-up menu items, in which we are going to create the item builder. In item builder, we create 3 values, which are settings, profile, and logout, along with the onSelected function added to it. As you can see, we are going to create the onSelected function with the given value. Here we have to handle the pop-up menu settings. After settings, we create if-else statement to handle the functionality, and we do the same with profile and logout pop-up menu items accordingly. As you can see, we added the whole 3 pop-up menu items and gave then value accordingly by using if-else statement. So now we are adding the body inside scaffold and giving the temporary title to it as the Hello Flutter. You can customize the body of your app according to the app and client requirements. So guys, hope you enjoy the video and found it informative. So kindly subscribe and share the video and stay tuned for more upcoming new enhanced features learning at this Tech World channel. Stay blessed. Have a nice day. Bye.